And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to speed up the performance in Photoshop. Obviously the best way is to simply get a better computer with more RAM, but you can go to Edit, Preferences and then Performance, and you will find the available RAM that you have. And Photoshop uses by default around 70% of that. You can increase that as long as you don't have many background processes working. 80% should be workable. You can get the drawing mode down from advanced to normal or even basic if Photoshop is still too slow. And you've got these three defaults under History and Cache. Depending on what you click on, you see the cache levels and the cache tile size being adjusted. If you have small images with many layers, for example in web and UI design, you want to have a low cache level number and a low cache tile size. If you work with photos and even huge pixel dimensions, you might want to increase that. The history states can be decreased as well. This simply means that Photoshop saves various history states of your projects, and obviously the more you let Photoshop save, the more performance it will swallow. So on many projects you don't need 50, 40 or 30 history states, you are fine with 10 or 20, so you might want to decrease that as well. And these are some little tweaks that you can use to speed up the Photoshop performance on your CPU. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.